We now on set, Rebuilding Black Sage, Volume 1, from new album coming out called Sagittarius, peep that, you know what I mean? We just trying to capture some new images, capture the swag, you know what I mean? So stay tuned, alright?
Y'all already know what it is, baby. Yo, Rich Kid, I see you, daddy. Pro Logic, baby. Big socks. And y'all know I go by the name of Black Sage, man. I used to love her, you know what I mean? But now she's just a bitch.
I used to dream about you, then I couldn't be without you. I was loving that gangster lean about you. When you was my bitch, you was my bitch. Now that I see the outcome, I pray I'm doing better without the one who broke my heart and made me that one. Now you just a bitch, you just a bitch.
No competitor rhyme better than me, fella. You, I'm the last hope, call me the dream seller. I see money in my hands, the fortune teller. Spit crack, push packs, no drug dealer. Rhymes for sale, you could call me the wholesaler. Flow for flow, hands down, ready to Ozilla. What would they tell you when? What would they claim? Man, a female, I treat all bitches the same. If you a lame, can't fuck with you, man.